Biological Sciences Building. Ooh. ThyssenKrupp. Non-California code. Fresh ones.
Basement.
What were these?
Dovers, it looks like.
That could have been replaced. Can't tell what this is. Oh, Mac interlock.
Fifth floor.
Their bottom drive.
There's indicators on every floor.
Going down.
Going down.
So much money saved in California.
Oh, interesting. No floor passing chime.
First floor.
What? KONE. Oh, Tyler, this one is a KONE. What floor are you guys going to? What the hell?
Second floor. Going out. Third floor. Going up.
Taking a shot of the buttons?
Yeah, the whole elevator actually. It's just a hobby I have.
Okay.
Fourth floor.
You have a good one.
Go on.
Going down.
Wow, look at this. This is my first time seeing this right here. Huh. Well, that was unexpected.
First floor.
Look.
What the heck? This is a full new.
Yeah.
I guess. But they're not on the same floor. That's so weird.
Fourth floor. Going down.
Camera activates when button pressed. Interesting. Yeah, this one is totally different.
I don't really understand the point of the screen.
First floor.
Yeah.